Hey there, welcome to the channel. Are you struggling to write effective prompts for Kling AI? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'll teach you step by step how to create professional prompts that get the best results from this powerful AI tool. Let's jump in. Step 1. Understand your goal. Before diving into Kling AI, think about what you want to achieve. Are you looking for text generation, image creation, or something else? Having a clear goal ensures your prompt is focused and precise. Step 2. Be specific and descriptive. When crafting your prompt, always be specific. For instance, instead of saying create an image, try generate a realistic image of a serene beach at sunset with palm trees and gentle waves. The more detail you provide, the better the results. Step 3. Use contextual information. Add relevant context to guide Kling AI. For example, if you're generating professional emails, mention the tone, audience, and subject line. Clear instructions help the AI understand your needs better. Step 4. Test and refine. After running your prompt, review the output. If it's not what you expected, tweak your instructions. Adjusting keywords or adding more context can significantly improve results. Step 5. Save your prompts. Save your best prompts for future use. Kling AI allows you to store and reuse them, making your workflow faster and more efficient. And that's it. Writing professional prompts in Kling AI is all about clarity, detail, and refinement. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tips. Let me know your favorite prompt ideas in the comments below. See you next time. Thanks for watching.